Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from Emmanuel FOREX Traders. I'm here with a trade breakdown on what happened on Euro NZD from the forecast until the very end. So watch the rest of the video to find out what happened and everything else. Alright, so let me just show you what happened before we came to this level right here. So you can see that 2 days ago I was able to share our forecast right here on Facebook and also in our private community right here. We're able to share these forecasts right here, which we're looking to take when the market came to our area, and one of them being Euro NZD, a beautiful trade setup. Let me just show you right now. It was a beautiful rally-based drop supply zone with liquidity which was left behind right here. So what I was anticipating was for the market to come and take out this liquidity before it can come into this area, then we could potentially sell. So you can see that this was shared not just in our mentorship community but also on our Facebook and also on our Instagram channels. All these were shared in hope that maybe someone out there may be able to benefit, and you can see that Euro NZD was among these setups right here, which is just right here. Okay, this was the one right here. So let me just show you what ended up happening afterwards, right? So the market came to this level, right? So we had a nice QML, we had a low, high, and break of structure right here. And then other than that, we saw the market giving us a ton of liquidity right here. So what I was waiting for was that I wanted the market to come and take out the Asian session. So you can see that the market took out the low of the Asian session plus this liquidity and came all the way to the rally-based drop where we had our POI right here. The market literally came to our level, and if you can look at this, our target was 100 pips, and if you look at 100 pips, it was somewhere here. It was around that particular area. This was our target. This was a 1:17 risk reward ratio. However, the market ended up going all the way to 1:30 risk reward ratio. That was absolutely amazing. It was a beautiful trade, simple setup, and ended up really amazing. So if you go to the higher time frame, let me show you what is happening on the higher time frame. As always, you always have to start from the higher time frame. Find out what is the market doing on the higher time frame before you can actually take any trade. So you have to do a multiple time frame analysis so that you understand the overall direction of the market. It's always important, and I can emphasize that. Okay, so you can see that we've been seeing the market. Remind you, this is a daily chart, so we've seen the market trending to the downside here for a lot of time. So you can see that this was like April. We've seen the market pushing right here, and I'll show you right now. So it was a beautiful downtrend. Then once I saw this move right here, which was made, I was like, okay, this is significant right here. So we're left with a big pin bar right here. But if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you'll see that that's not a pin bar. There is something hidden behind that. So it's your job as a trader now to start going all the way to the lower time frame so that you can see what is the market telling you at that particular area. So you can see now, if you come to the 4-hour, it's clear that there's a rally-based drop, right? And you can see that this kind of rally-based drop left behind inefficiency candle. So whenever the market leaves behind inefficiencies, it means that it's likely to go back and fill those inefficiencies. So, and exactly, you can see that the market came back and just touched into that area, and then we saw the market melting to the downside like crazy, right? It was a beautiful trade, and the good part is that this was shared on our free channels. So congratulations to those that managed to take this particular trade, and everyone. All right, it was a beautiful trade. It's very simple, very textbook setup. Yeah, the other one that actually responded to our level was actually this one, but this one was crazy. I actually took this particular trade. Let me just show you right now. However, there was a lot of manipulation on this particular trade. Beautiful trade on GBP AUD. Let me just show you. It was actually here. You can see that we had a nice rally-based drop, then we had a lot of equal highs, and then the market took out the equal highs. So what I was waiting for right here was for the market to come and touch into this area, then we can get involved. Now we'll see what happened. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. Let's see what is happening. So I was able to take this particular trade right here, you can see, and it dropped like crazy. And I was able to I was into this particular trade right here. Let me just show you. I was able to take all that particular trade. I think I shared it on Facebook. Let me just show you. Yeah. So the market, I entered from here, the market dropped all the way to this level right here. I think I got out from somewhere around here, and then it went back again to the same area before going back down to that same low, and then it went back again to that particular area again. This was crazy. So there's a lot of manipulations right here, and the market just kept on moving up and down, up and down, up and down. But I was able to capitalize this move right here. I think I got about 1 to 10 risk reward ratio before I just got out. And this as well was shared both in our mentorship community and also on our Facebook page. You're going to realize that it's actually, let me just show you. I think it's somewhere here. GBP ANZ. Let me show you. Where is it? GBP AUD. Right here. It was here. It was a beautiful, beautiful trade. Turned out amazing. But of course, we had a lot of manipulations and all that. Of course, we don't just take wins, we're also going to encounter losses, which is a normal part of trading. Today we took this particular trade. Let me just show you a beautiful euro NZD Swiss trade. However, it didn't turn out according to what we expected it to do, right? So you can see that. Let me just do this. It was a beautiful, let me just see. It was a beautiful, beautiful trade. Beautiful. I like the presentation. Like, the overall trend is down, and I was expecting this to actually give me a nice move to the downside. So we took this trade, I think early today in the morning. A rally base drop, nice presentation right here, and you can see that if you go to the lower time frame, we actually saw the market dropping in our direction for almost like 1 to 2 risk reward ratio right here. It dropped from here up to this level right here, and then there was some news event. There was CPI today, and the market just went to the upside, and we were taken out for a loss. This was a beautiful trade that turned out as a loss, which is normal. As long as your risk reward ratio allows you to become profitable, then that's not a problem. So this is how it is. So I thought I would share these trades with you guys. I hope you found value. If you have, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.